In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calculate function to Microsoft Word for quick and easy calculations right within your document. This is a handy feature that can save you time and is especially useful when you're working with numbers frequently. Let's dive in. To begin, open up Microsoft Word. Our first step is to access Word's Options dialog. You can find this by looking at the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a menu labeled File. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a new menu. From here, you need to navigate to the Options section, which is usually found at the bottom of this menu. Clicking on it will bring up the Word Options dialog box. This dialog contains a variety of configurable options to customize your Word experience. Now, with the Options dialog open in front of you, we are ready to move on. You'll want to look for either the Quick Access Toolbar or Customize Ribbon options. It really depends on your personal preference and where you would like to access this new feature. The Quick Access Toolbar is a great choice if you want the Calculate feature easily accessible at the top of your window all the time. On the other hand, using Customize Ribbon allows you to create a new tab or add to an existing one, which can help keep your Word interface tidy. Choose the one that best fits your workflow. Once you've made your decision, focus on the Choose Commands From drop-down menu, which you'll find in the middle of the dialog box. Open this drop-down and scroll through the options until you find All Commands. Selecting All Commands gives you access to the extensive list of functionalities that Word offers. Now, we're looking for the Tools Calculate function, sometimes simply labeled as Calculate. This can take a moment as the list is quite comprehensive, so scroll carefully to find it. Now that you've located the Calculate command, it's time to add it to your chosen location. Highlight the command and either add it to the Quick Access toolbar or create a new group on a ribbon tab. When you've done that, click OK to save your changes and exit the Options dialog. At this point, the Calculate function is now part of your Microsoft Word setup. To start using it, type out a numeric expression in your Word document. For example, you might type 12 plus 24.3. Highlight the expression with your cursor. This is important. The Calculate function needs to know what numbers to process. Once highlighted, simply click on the Calculate button that you positioned earlier. The result will magically appear in the status bar at the bottom of your screen, and Word will automatically copy it to your clipboard for convenience. And there you have it. You've successfully added and are ready to use the Calculate function in Microsoft Word. This can greatly enhance your productivity, especially when working with documents that involve regular calculations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your Word experience even better.